Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Okay, what we need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and we will find that here in the little white box on the top. And if you open it, you will find it directly here. So just remove here the rings and remove it like that. Okay, yeah, otherwise if you don't have it or you don't want to work with, you can use also the edge of a paper clip, of course. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone next to the USB Type-C port the SIM tray. And the part of a SIM tray is a little hole in there. And don't mind that it's this one or this one, because this is the microphone here. So use the hole in the SIM tray, and with the edge of the pin, or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, I feel a single SIM version. As you can see, I can just place here one SIM card, and we will put it like this. So missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. In case, if you have the dual SIM version, you can enter also a second SIM card directly the same way with the missing corner here. It just works like this, and then you have here SIM number 2. But I have the single SIM version, as I said, and if you have here the black stuff, then you will have also the single SIM version. Okay, so let us put it back like this. And be sure that's completely inserted here. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Normally, just subscribe me. It would be really pleasure. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.